abusa from mamu nyina makwaba e de bagana and sem TV so but omo dey so be like video no be subscribe to the channel no what turn on notifications say be next time videos of this nature eba also sabit makabina so watch your comment section ho maybe whom be from Mr. President Macho so TikTok or comment section ho by be whom be from Mr. President Macho so ko yin na edwum say that chi bia no e betim the new patriotic party aba power na ya bana Ghana fo nyina ho ato ko amamo we dey e dey into Sudan say man we need that chi bia na de bia me ka sem bi say amanyasom ne yeye no so wa mo ni anda ho a ho be chiro pa the moment I be hold the public office and say who say you own it a responsibility. I mean a sole responsibility to serve the ordinary Ghanaian. But I think say I do retirement nkofo bebree if you say a public office no more hold it. As a result of that, it is their sole responsibility to impact and improve lives of people. They have forgotten about that. Abushami chankra momi enko. Yenko ko video bi mra. Na video no we are going to take our time and digest the issues out of the perspective of the ordinary girl, not the perspective of Mr. President here. Women commerce is here.
And this a man you call no free month of jump training. And a man see crash or no ewa kaswa. I want to say is one of no. What would you bufu so? Aqua boy room radio station, what must say? Woman tia see my radio station no yana chuma, a dear naba woman eka NDC as some. And tell you my four wabat and pa radio hoy, womako woman naticon concessia bontain, and quaffo baggy woman fat, quaffosica woman foe, yacomasia bontain, chairman, your work central region, NDC. Eso to me, wabetu radio station him, a more jumefuo, the other radio so, the other reception, the security man or hoyinano, or my paloma guabonting. And a woman to radio station him what I say, and pen prayer can say, Bibia and Quaso honum. Now a branch about Quaco Batampa radio, what no and your producer, and my woman and one, a drunka said you come up, your friend Bernard Meku. Now.
Fire Macadam's if you casa and the one all down was say, Omonye me phone, infamy, some see me phone, The one I said, me granny. Omako Pam workers will reduce this moon now, up Pamom, you will be unfashy,
and branded and called Dr. Bann3r a liar. They continue saying it. And they affirmed it deep, say, why a liar, a potential flag bearer then. Jamaica, what I say. But, about the Pacho, when we said that they should also go and apologize, have they apologized? They haven't. But Dr. Bann3r creating pressure, we say, as a party, the sofa, we don't do that. When you go to the social media, the people that supported to work in the Japan, that I know, the people that we chat with, they are all angry. They are all angry and not supporting the interview that he did. Because gradually, one share a bemana luksu, your friend say, abaya unpopular. And it's becoming unpopular. in the party. Because interview be about granted piano as a set seven projects as a settings. What the hell? Minimum galamse, you go for 9 galamse. Yatia ya kuntoka baby galamse to yatia. We are fighting and looking for the people that do galamse. If you don't bring it out, name them. Let us go for them because we are fighting galamse in this country. And kofu abo Ghana krono a usi winim no. Mayan hunu. Let us know the people that corrupted this country. I will bring them on. Me and discuss it because we are anti-corruption crusader. Now, so what the show that the biasana abekadia. Now you have settings. It's like either you have a skeleton in your cupboard that you are protecting yourself and maybe NDC wouldn't come for you, or you don't want Dr. Bawumia to become a president at all costs. That is the beer mentality because he said you are not better. So if you are not better there, I'll take the bitterness off. Then Befasa too, we see. All right. You understand? So please, what do you say? Ask me about. Yeah. Professor Michael Quay report. Michael Quay report. It was revealed that Mr. Kennedy Japan should be removed from the party by 2 President Kufuor and some other big ways. No. If they do that, the timing is wrong. And when you party back or boa party, no. So that suggestion was wrong. Now they have intercepted videos and audios. The party wanted to have a press conference to show to Ghanaians, reveal it, statement and all that, right, to set as an actuality, to justify why they want to take you off of the.
Chino mind Ghana ho. And the woman Juni ko etira. Nanka woman betina se ehuni say. Enwana woman da market and woman ni baby da. And nintina woman aye woman adwene say woman beda market. Inti se sa na te dia sa ankofo we to aba. Edi tie NPP government say woman pe change. Woman pa hoto. Woman pe nwuma ye. Such a way as our marketplaces in woman nkoda ho biem. And the woman dina say the to aba the TMPP government. And a woman to about the NDC NDC. Embra non fine say ya pamegu or mammy. NDC ba ye on fine say ya pabi a megu ho. But be a meme dana minyasum bieka krana made to about MPP na. Me to about the NDC NDC ba ye no baby buno. It is an NDC. Ewa jene pa. E de masa youth na. Nan NDC betina say aka say oh. Sanko for ye womoda marketplaces ikrano. Womu ni baby da. Inti me say sa womo da na ehemfa na womo ye de na ehemfa na womo beda. Inti say sa na te dia ma menye fast na mempe dan ba aku bi a mesi edi asi ho edi ama wona womo da marketplaces no set we ya me kwako bubu womo a na me koma womo solution mi bubu no na me ma womo solution na me ka kira say mi bubu mi NDC government mi bubu wo dan no because mesi edan bi wo ha na kona kwa eden kona kotinam na ye ne nkakra na eden nyesika na fa kwa rent because market no yensi market ni se wo mum na medam yesi market ni se wo fa nton ade be na me se wonni babi danti na y0u so a wo da ho eni nti na me NDC government medweno ho no ma si dan di asi wo nti me ba be ka tro se free market na wudam ni free na kona koda ha because baby a wo da ne kora no automatically enye save Sanken this government no womu jino my Ghana ho and womu jino youth no ho a nanke they will give them solution before they will destroy baby a womoda say wo koto anoma buo ho a wo bubu anoma buo na anoma ne be de na wada obe chinchin nti wona womu ni sika womu de be rented dan na womo bobo kiosk or market wana womo da ho no automatically no wa ma womo ebia ma womo anda na bubu na wabubu no automatically wo ka kire womo say womo nko ne number sabasa ta na pa kire because obi biala ogini obi biala ho no obegini ho hu ni say me say ade yi me nini a me de be ma esese me ma obi na wodi shame. At that moment, a man mo be my man one fan shame no. Me ni ajempa e de man. Inti sanka NDC government no wa adwene pa e de masa nkofo no wo mububu wo mo dan na ko mu behunu se wo mu ni babida inti mami si edan ba ko ntum na wo a wo benya student mattress no fa betum o bag ba ko ne kita wa fa besim seche we obi abenya babi ada seche we wo bubu kura na wo bubu wi a wasa so amawo ebia wo mu di wo mu ti be den wo mu di wo mu ti beto
amonu no no ha no ye nyina ye ti kruma na omu be ya forensic audit ni be wie no wo de
so ene da no si mu de bia ye ka ho asem oman we chese yenim oman ni issue ayewo ko ye hwe ne ma papa na adan kwakufo Dr. Laji Mahmood Bawumia ye de ma oman we a any 2024 elections eko eno ma Dr. Bawumia e den e de kire Ghana fa se me ba we ni we na me ye ma mo na busia na ke ye nsem pata de yensa kan serious so in fact oman bi timi ko borrow oman bi presidency oman bi timi ko borrow oman bi say leaders are KBA the new patriotic party the leaders of the party KBA ka borrow omodom ko another African country to cause development there. For the first time in the history of the country, we have generalized free senior high school. The word is generalized. For the first time in the history of the country, we have active drone delivery systems. For the first time in the history of the party and of the country, yetimi enya active and well facilitated health facilities across the length and breadth of the country. Agenda 111. We may say impo yenwie because the agenda na the person here number of hospitals and the is yenwie because of time. But those ones yetimi we component go and see how they have been operationalized. And then me look say we have some of the hospitals in fact equipping hospitals not all right but because of political tantrums and political gains me look say here hospitals and they go sana no me nyina say it is a Kenyan you say na no me nyina be ya say kesika no kwa kan de wasa botumi we say oh me say we say people for akonfo na mu akonfo ti ma sacrifice discard to what their hospitals na mo so mo ya akonfo akonfo ti ma facilitate me so mo be fund free seniors mo so mo ya akonfo you say anya Ghana for dey na fe na tables na 10 afi de mo keke mo kakaka. Why are they shouting? Obi ankara no ntum ne nko no ho. Asofo no mo nko ma no ntu asofo no with the greatest of respect o mo nko ma no ntu ne nko nyina ho. Chief imam for ne nko ma no ntu ne nko nyina ho. Politicians ne nko ma no ntu ne nko nyina ho. Market women no mo nko ma no ntu ne nko nyina ho. Obi ankara no ntu ne nko nyina ho. 2020 Jua then we will know the way forward. Yeti kroma obi so ono oba ono the credit scoring system be ba mo so open ko nkete Nancy Bibi na kasa de sebi ye bibi ya nkete ya adwen nkete ye bibi ye bia invest square ye nkete we want everything in pieces, we don't want everything in bulk. Adi asem kra ni obi ma credit scoring system also open ko nkete obi introduce electric or electronic bus systems most open ko nkete is enya mo de. You people chose policy, you people chose music over policy. Na ne yete ne nyina ho papa na fe na mbusu wa kire me na wo ne wo sia kire me sabi me na me ko ka kire Agyen Dramani ma so on be ma us come to mutu wa ye wa ha digitalization ye start say ye mo se dabi digitalization en to kinki nti mo pe kinki sika nti amamu papa na ba o mo ma mo kinki amamu ade da mo kam ye wo ko mo ya e de Agyen Dramani ma ko gina efese enkanfo mu gafo ka chom say oh gafo de oh na mo de onye kinki na mo hia digitalization bia e na gafo so okay ne beto aba na ma bum mo to aba ma kinki government etimi
Sese die ko ye kra de menu now to me hu letter bi a yoko for tro ye eba council of state member voter region na me se fiam Remona Chapa ya hype ni say we ye can say Israel train
but the issue is true.
Okwe ni letter now was say council of state member no wo ye former staff emanam one which is never true.
Onya adwuma order and onya juma wo hoda ama nam one for the first time nam one I post. Oh yes, nam one I post. Yeah, no catch you be say o di pa ne boa.